Disclaimer. All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled, professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hi guys, we here. It's Austin's birthday. That's Austin.
Everybody say hi. Everybody say hi. Everybody say
Say
hi.
hi to the video, guys. So
I got all of y'all.
We out here for Austin's birthday. We're gonna get drunker.
Yeah, we gotta take that cup away. Wait, yo, that's my cup. Whoa.
For the video, look at my cup.
For the video.
For the video, look at my cup.
For the video.
Oh, it's empty.
Y'all looking good today. Hold on. Y'all see the fit. I see the fit.
But look at the hat. Look at the hat though.
We in the uniform. Come on now. Always with the Nike Tech fit. Oh yeah. Here for Austin's birthday. I already know we gotta celebrate twin.
Cheers.
My favorite one is when me with the dragon mask in the tub of Austin.
They're gone already. I was about to try and get the tenders, but they was gone already.
There's nothing in here no more.
No. Do you know how to bowl? Or do you know how to bowl with the rails up?
Wait, what? You look like this. You gotta grip them like this.
Yo!
Everybody's like.
She says, "Can I get another drink, babe?"
Who said she was gonna be driving? She said. Can we take a picture? We didn't even.
I got you with the video right now. Watch.
Come on now.
Hold on, B-roll.
Uh-oh.
You just thought me, bitch.
She said this is all mine. I feel like a thorn right now, yo. Could be the thorn.
All right, babe, that's it. I'm going in.
Table is full. He in a split. That was when you first started talking to me.
No, I didn't know you.
I can't even. I feel like I can't even breathe right now. Oh, dude. You know, bro, it was like 15.
Hey to you.
Drink up, nigga.
Happy birthday, dear Austin. Happy birthday to you. I hate it.
Imagine like.
Yeah, take a shot.
I'm making a wish. Shut up.
Yo, how long is this fucking wish?
Austin, drink it. Oh.
Burned himself.
He just burned his face.
Drink it like a man.
Wait, you didn't blow that. Oh, you didn't blow it.
I knew it. You good, babe?
Yeah.
Yo, look at her. Look at how stank she is. Yo, New York traffic is not it.
I went through it alone. You wasn't here, you ain't know. I'll never go put my trust in a bitch that be cheating. So easy. Bitch, you ain't in sexual.
Huh?
This video thing about it.
Niggas cannot drive, man. We fucking moving. Still recording, right?